I am Dr. Gurpreet Singh Wander, Editor-in-Chief of the book Postgraduate Medicine, and on behalf of the whole editorial board, I welcome you to this introductory meeting of our book Postgraduate Medicine. This, in fact, is the first textbook of medicine which has been produced in our country by physicians from across the country. Mr. Jatinder Vij, the CEO of the JP Publishers, wanted an Indian book because he felt that the Indian students, the undergraduates, the postgraduates in medicine, and young physicians have to resort to the Western books. And we all also felt that the Western books are giving a Western pattern of disease, the epidemiology, the treatment approach. And so we brought out this particular book with the efforts of 500 contributors. It is a 2,000-page book, has 250 chapters, which are arranged in 12 sections. The first 3 sections are of general medicine, which includes clinical medicine, general medicine, and critical care medicine. And then we have 9 chapters on various specialties of cardiology, gastroenterology, neurology, endocrinology, hematology, pulmonary medicine, nephrology. In fact, each of these sections has been edited by a section editor who has devoted his whole life to one subspecialty of medicine. And so it's a group of physicians and experts who have got together. Most of the chapters have been contributed by experts teaching in medical colleges and people who have done original work in our country on that particular disease. So each chapter will provide you actually an abstract in the beginning, which summarizes the contents. The contents are, of course, divided in the form of tabular form, flow charts, pictorial depiction is there. So easy to read. There is an e-book along with, from which you can take down these charts and use them for subsequent teaching purposes. There are 15 recommended readings which you can go to if you want to learn more about a particular topic. And in the end, we have multiple choice questions which are out of the contents of the chapter, so that you can see how much of the content you have been able to assimilate. This textbook of medicine, the postgraduate medicine, is actually the first textbook which has come in the post-COVID era. And so we have 10 chapters on various aspects of COVID. In fact, there is a chapter on mucormycosis also. Most of the diseases, actually, the pattern of disease, the investigation plan, and the treatment approach that you need to adopt is according to the Indian circumstances, and so will be more applicable actually to the Indian patients. In that sense, this book is going to be very useful for you because it is divided into 3 volumes. It is easy to read and is widely available with bookshops across the country because of the efforts of the JP Publishers. As I said, the sections are actually 12 in number. First 3 sections, 4 sections on general medicine, and then various subspecialties. The book, actually, the language is easy for you to read, and some of the section experts are actually, they have devoted their lifetime on the subspecialty. Dr. P.K. Deb is a cardiologist, Dr. Ajay Kumar, a gastroenterologist from Delhi, Dr. Sanjay Badada is an endocrinologist in PGI Chandigarh, Dr. S.K. Sharma is a former head of the Department of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Dr. Viveka Jha, a very distinguished nephrologist from the George Institute of Global Health. Dr. Vivekanand Jha, in fact, has worked in PGI for many years. Dr. Gagandeep Singh is a neurologist. Dr. Vibhuti Saha from the School of Tropical Medicine in Calcutta, Dr. Surinder Jindal, former head of Department of Pulmonary Medicine, PGI Chandigarh, Dr. Rohini Handa, a distinguished rheumatologist, earlier a consultant in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and Dr. Dhruv Chaudhary from the Postgraduate Institute, Rohtak. So we have experts from across the country who have been who have all got together and brought out this first, so to say, textbook of medicine for the purpose of postgraduate students. We are in fact looking at feedbacks from you. There is an e-version which gives you the chapter in an e-format. There are videos, in fact, for wherever it is applicable. There are pictures, which some chapters are very extensive. So in the printed book and the e-books, couple of chapters will have greater detail. As I said, the experts who have written these chapters have devoted their life. Some of these actually I have pointed out so that you do realize that most faculty is from the distinguished institutions of our country. Chapters like oxygen therapy, like electronic health records, frailty syndrome. These are some recent issues which have been dealt with in greater detail, which you may not find in other books. Some metabolic disorders which are seen less frequently have been grouped together so that the length of the chapter actually is applicable in the sense what is the frequency with which you are going to see a particular disease. Every section has a clinical chapter in the beginning, whether it is pulmonary medicine, gastroenterology, cardiology. There is clinical evaluation of patients of that particular disease, then epidemiology. And as shown here for cardiology, which is a section which I have devoted a lot of time on, ECG by Dr. Cheniappan, non-invasive imaging by Dr. Jagat Narula, actually, who's a distinguished cardiologist in US, one of the editors of the Journal of American College of Cardiology. Cardiac catheterization, angiography. There are multiple videos in this chapter. So each chapter will bring you actually across to the opinions of the experts. So thank you very much for having attended this launch introductory meeting. And please do write to us on email, or you can even WhatsApp to us. What is your feedback regarding this book, Postgraduate Medicine, which has been able to come out with the efforts of so many experts from all over the country? Thank you for attending this meeting.